Welcome back. Now honestly tell me, have you had one of those mad mornings in the kitchen just because nothing is where you left it? And that too the same day when you have an important meeting scheduled with a client or with your boss. The pains of having to run a kitchen and a career. But the solution is very simple, a modular kitchen where everything has its own place. A beautiful home also merits a beautiful kitchen. After all, that is a very integral part of every house. Modular kitchens are preferred these days as it can accommodate almost everything that one needs and at the same time save space. It is also very user-friendly with thali racks, pull-outs for spices and even a cup and sauce counter. Moreover, it utilizes every corner in your room with magic corner racks and carousels which are equipped with high-grade, no-rust stainless steel. From dishwasher to fridge, everything can be hidden inside the modular kitchen.
Actually, modular kitchen is very easy to maintain because each one is a box and then it's all well finished. So you can just wipe off if waterfall drops or something. We give 10-year guarantee and it's made for Indian wet cooking conditions. So if water drops also, nothing will happen. And it's easy to wipe. And even the well-known brands, they give the service for cockroaches and other things. If it is a modular kitchen, you don't have to take out everything and then empty the place for them. Just you can show them this is a modular kitchen. They'll put a drop in all the hinges. That's enough. So it's very easy to maintain. Not like any other carpenter-made kitchen where you have to take out everything once you want to give for pest control or something. You have to take everything out. In modular kitchen, that's not necessary.
A modular kitchen unit comes as ready-made counters of 150 mm or 6-inch modules which have to be assembled and designed depending on individual kitchen needs. Even with these ready-made counters, one has options. You can choose counters with plain shutters or with grid shutters to allow air circulation inside the module, or you can choose counters with hydraulic shutters which open upwards instead of to the side.
We have 100-150 modules, so accordingly we take measurements and then whatever we'll first judge what they want to keep, how they want to use the kitchen. So accordingly we'll plan the kitchen for them. And then they'll sit with us and then the satisfaction of designing their own kitchen, for them, that gives more happiness. So they'll sit with us and then whatever modulations they want to make, so we can rearrange accordingly and then make it as custom made. That's how we go design the kitchen for them.
Modular kitchens come in few basic material. The marine ply lamination model has many color options and this is a very basic model. One can opt for the sword finish, the glossy finish or even the matte finish. A modular kitchen made of MDF material has rounded edges and is better looking. The MDF with paint option will also have many colors but no lamination on the material. MDF with lacquer has a wooden finish and comes in wood colors, while the traditional finish modular kitchen has a rub wood base and a teak wood finish.
Advantage in this is it's all custom made and the lamination, even the lamination, ply lamination, that's the lowest end of Cookscape product. That also the machine made, so it won't peel off, and we give 10-year warranty for all the kitchens. So even the lowest end marine ply to teak, 10 years warranty is there. So if something peels off, we replace everything.
Most people prefer to mix and match the colors of their kitchen cabinets, and this can be complemented by glass mosaic tiles of matching colors. These are easy to maintain and gives the kitchen a very neat look.
I want to have a very good, beautiful kitchen, which I want to make it, maintain clean, kept it always clean. The kitchen, anyone who enters into my kitchen should feel like, they'll even sleep here. That is my, dream. So that's the reason I already allocated. I'm okay for any money to be spent on kitchen. So So I allocated funds for it and I made sure that it will come to my expectation.
A modular kitchen comes with its own hob and chimney, and every chimney comes with specific suction power. It starts at 550 meter cube suction power, and depending on the budget or the aesthetics, one can opt for more powerful ones. Ideally, an Indian vegetarian kitchen should have a chimney with a minimum of 800 meter cube suction power, and a non-vegetarian kitchen should have a 1000 meter cube suction power chimney.
And in case you want to do it in style, then add a breakfast counter or an island kitchen, and most definitely your kitchen is going to be the most attractive part in your house. And why shouldn't it be? After all, our lives depend on it. On that note, it's goodbye on Property Matters for this week, but we'll be back next Saturday with more.